Good evening, I am Kesav Kumar Agarwal of class 9 of Jain Public School. Now I am going to say about COVID-19 or novel coronavirus. Novel coronavirus is a very dangerous virus and an infectious disease. COVID-19 is very dangerous for people. COVID-19 infected over 1 crore people in the world. And the United States of America leading the highest number of corona cases with 36 lakh. And at the number second, Brazil with 19 lakh coronavirus cases. And at number third, our India with 10 lakh cases. In India, Maharashtra leading the highest case of over 2,15,000 and the number second Tamil Nadu of 1 lakh, over 1 lakh cases. Coronavirus also spread by handshaking. So we have to prevent handshaking. So we can stop the novel coronavirus. There are 3 stages of novel coronavirus. They are, first one is normal, second one is so dangerous, and the third one is very dangerous. And this is community transmission, in which the people have no symptoms of coronavirus, but they have coronavirus cases. United States of America come into third stage, but India not come. And we have to not come our India in third stage. We have to prevent handshaking and going out from our home and stay in home, stay healthy. Thank you.